Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete an app from your iCloud on iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also write your comments after watching the video and make sure to put your likes. So friends, let us get started with you. And now I'm going to show you the whole process from the beginning. Please open the settings on your iPhone. Now friends, in the settings, you will need to click on your name at the top to go to your Apple ID and then select iCloud. Next, you will need to select the option at the top, which is called Manage Account Storage. Now when the guard opens, you will need to select Backup. Wait for some time for everything to load and then select your device. You need to wait for everything to load, especially if you have a lot of apps. You can click on See All Apps. And that way you will see absolutely all the apps that you have backed up on iCloud on your iPhone. Let's say if you want to delete an app. Let's say I want to delete WhatsApp. Then first you need to disable the iCloud backup of that app. To do that, just click on this button right here. Confirm that you are disabling the backup. Now exit the settings. Find the app you need. In my case, it's WhatsApp. You need to tap on the app and select Delete App. After that, the app will be deleted from your iPhone. And there will be no trace of this app, no data left on your iCloud. Friends, this is the very simple way you can delete an app from your iCloud on your iPhone. I really hope this video helped you and that it was useful for you. Please don't forget to write your comments and also put your likes and subscribe. Take care, friends.